It is easy to picture the YouTube algorithm as a cold, rigid robot judging your every move, but it actually operates a lot more like a great bartender, one who remembers what you ordered last week and focuses entirely on pouring you exactly what you want tonight. The algorithm is simply a highly personalized recommendation system. It tracks past behavior to answer one question: what is the most satisfying video this specific person wants to watch right now? This diagram outlines the physical layout of YouTube. The platform operates across 5 distinct recommendation areas: your home feed, the suggested videos on the sidebar, the search results, your notifications, and the short speed. Think of these as 5 different rooms in the venue, each tailored for a slightly different mood. When you view the platform this way, the pressure comes off. The system is not grading your worth as a creator. It is simply organizing the evening, making sure your content gets routed to the guests most likely to enjoy it. Before we learn the house rules, we need to forget some old rumors. First, people often say longer videos are always better. In reality, viewer satisfaction outweighs the runtime. A crisp 10-minute video that people finish easily beats a rambling 20-minute video that people abandon halfway through. Second, there is no secret code hidden in your SEO tags. The system figures out what your video is about based on your title and the actual words you speak on camera. Finally, the recommendation system does not hate new channels. It operates completely blind to your subscriber count. It tests every video with a small audience first, and if those people react well, it shares the video with a larger group. Dropping those old myths gives you immediate clarity. You stop wasting energy trying to hack a computer program, and you can put all your focus into throwing a great party for your viewers. This diagram shows how YouTube actually measures a good time. It calculates a viewer satisfaction score by watching to see if people drop a like, leave a comment, answer a positive survey, or return to your channel later. But to get that reaction, you have to get people in the door. Your title and thumbnail are the invitation. They need to display clear emotion and obvious benefits, so passing viewers know exactly what to expect inside. This graph tracks how well a video holds an audience's attention. Almost all videos lose people in the first few seconds. The trick is hitting them with a sharp question, story, or sudden visual change, a pattern interrupt, to make them pause. Then you must deliver your title's promise right away. If they clicked for bread, show the dough immediately. High clicks on your thumbnail and viewers staying through the first 30 seconds tell the bartender to recommend your video to the whole room. Not every part of the venue operates at the same speed. Standard videos reward deep focus, while YouTube Shorts use a completely separate engine. Shorts rely entirely on fast, half-second visual hooks and high replay value. This diagram maps out how to balance those two speeds. You can treat your shorts as quick, standalone appetizers. Because they move fast, they are incredibly effective at capturing new attention and then depositing those viewers over to your longer main courses. Keeping those two formats mentally separated prevents you from creating confusing content. You learn to use short formats to catch the eye and long formats to build the relationship. This diagram illustrates session depth. It happens when a viewer sticks around for a second or third video without leaving YouTube. Engineer this path by grouping similar videos into connected playlists and using end screens to point directly to the next logical video. When your content consistently causes people to settle in and binge watch, you prove your value to the platform. The system will aggressively push your channel to wider audiences because you are helping keep the party going. Establishing a predictable upload schedule acts like setting reliable business hours. It signals to both your audience and the recommendation system that your venue is open, active, and trustworthy. You build a strong foundation by keeping your channel's visual style consistent, pacing out a steady mix of long and short videos each week, and asking yourself what the viewer gets out of every single upload. This dashboard outlines the only 3 metrics you truly need to monitor as a beginner. Check your click-through rate to see if your thumbnails work. Watch your retention curve to see where people get bored, and monitor your satisfaction score to gauge the overall vibe. Then, simply let that feedback shape your next move. If your retention graph dips at the 2-minute mark, cut the filler in your next script. You don't have to outsmart a machine. When you build an inviting space, respect people's time, and deliver a satisfying experience, you naturally align with everything the algorithm wants. Take care of the guests, and you win.